Hi, I'm Jack Barnwell, partner and lead designer for C3 Gardens. We get asked all the time, what is C3? What do you do? Well, C3 stands for Custom, Creative, Colorful. We specialize in annual installations, whether it be in the ground or in beautiful container collections. We maintain them meticulously, keeping your property looking absolutely stunning all season long. One of the most unique things about our company is our exclusive self-watering planter system. We also have access to a unique line of plants specifically bred for Southwest Florida, creating the most beautiful gardens and landscapes around. We look forward to working with you. Thank you so much for your interest in C3 Gardens. I can't wait to see the stunning results that we come up with on your property, whether it be residential or commercial. I guarantee we can make it look absolutely amazing.